Hello, Kinders and Kinder families. I want to try something that I think you're really going to like. I'm going to use this instead of our Flipgrids. Remember the first few weeks we were sharing with each other fun things on Flipgrid? Well, this is going to be, I'm going to show you Seesaw Blog. I enabled it over here on the right, and it looks like a little globe. So now what happens is if you click on this blog, you're going to get to go to our actual class blog page, which is kind of cool. And I already took some samples of friends' projects, and you get to see them on the blog. Violet's got a funny joke for you. Liam had a fun joke from the other day. I've even did a little practice video for you, and Mikey's got a good joke too. So the idea moving forward is, friends, when you make something that you want to share with the whole class, not like a Seesaw activity that you're sharing with me, but like a writing or a project or something fun you got or a place you got to go, whatever it might be, and you want to share it with all of us, you are going to put it on the blog. And it's really easy to do. When you are in your journal and you go to this add button, you're going to add to your journal. You can take a picture, you can make a video. I'll just sample. We'll take a picture. It's going to be my face. Cheese. Okay, and then you can hit the green check mark. You can still do all the things. So you can add labels, you can talk, you can use the camera again, picture inside a picture, and when you're finished, you'll hit the green check mark. I'm going to put it to the sample student, but you can put it into your journal. You would be in yours. You wouldn't probably even see this part because this is on my end, but it'd be in your journal. And then when you get to the green check mark and it uploads, underneath your project is going to be a globe, and you're just going to tap on the globe, and then that's going to ask to publish it to the blog, and you're going to just hit the blog, and then I will okay it to go to the blog. So for me, I can just do it on my end, but on your end, it will ask for permission, and I will grant you permission. And then that means, friends, anytime you want, you can check over here, hit the blog button, and then you can go see your work and your friends' work, and anytime you want to share with the class, that is what we're going to do. We're going to share it to our class blog page. All right, have fun. I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you tomorrow.